Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Step into the heart of an ocean vessel, and you will quickly realize that the engine room is a living, breathing, complex machine. Driving these machineries requires a team of marine engineering officers, and among them, the fourth engineer, also known as the third assistant engineer, plays a crucial hands-on role. Positioned under the guidance of senior engineering officers, the fourth engineer is often the junior watchkeeping engineer on board, responsible for maintaining vital auxiliary support equipment day and night. While senior engineers focus on the main engine and power generation, the fourth engineer masters systems that keep the ship clean, pure, pressurized, and environmentally compliant. Let us dive into what this essential entry-level officer role involves and why it is a critical foundation for every marine engineering career. At sea, a major area of responsibility for the fourth engineer revolves around fuel and lube oil treatment systems, primarily oil purifiers and centrifuges. These machines run continuously to eliminate water, sludge, and solid particulates from heavy fuel oil before it enters the engines. Maintaining purifiers, cleaning bowl discs, and adjusting operating temperatures ensures that clean fuel reaches the propulsion system, directly protecting expensive machinery from catastrophic wear. The fourth engineer also takes direct charge of the ship auxiliary boilers and economizers, which generate essential steam for fuel heating, hot water, and cabin climate control. Managing boiler water chemical treatment, inspecting oil burners, and testing pressure relief safety valves fall squarely on their shoulders. In addition, high-pressure air compressors and air receivers fall under their care, ensuring that starting air is always available for the main engine and service air for pneumatic tools. Environmental protection is another core duty managed by the fourth engineer. Operating the oily water separator ensures that bilge water is processed to legal discharge limits before going overboard, keeping the vessel compliant with international pollution regulations. Various auxiliary pumps, operating waste incinerators, freshwater generators, and sewage treatment plants further rounds out their daily technical workload. Beyond scheduled maintenance, the fourth engineer stands regular engine room watches, constantly monitoring fluid levels, system pressures, and temperatures to catch minor anomalies before they turn into major equipment failures. This blend of intensive hands-on mechanics, system troubleshooting, and environmental stewardship builds the fundamental technical confidence required to advance to higher engineering ranks on global ocean-going ships. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.